What's going on, guys? Welcome to Poeboys, and in this video we are going to be doing stonks. We're going to be capitalizing on pretty much finding a bike for very cheap and figuring out how to sell it and make a profit on it. And I made $1,500 off of this bike, so I want to show y'all how it's possible. Enjoy the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. I love y'all. This is Harbor Freight wheelchair. We are going to be taking this nice device right here and unpacking it, because I love wheelchairs. They're great. Needle nose pliers. I think we might not even have any assembly required.
Oh, that'd be nice. Oh!
Oh yeah, baby! Look how freaking fresh this thing is!
Well, that thing's chrome.
Honestly, I might just leave it chromed out. This is actually kind of been for $130, I think I paid for this thing. It's gonna be worth it, because maybe do a wheelchair world record and have a live stream donation to charity, possibly. I'll be doing a 12-hour and 36-minute wheelie on this wheelchair.
What's the record?
12 hours and 31 minutes, and I've beaten that, and I can do it again. And all it is a wheelchair wheelie. All you gotta do is sit like this.
What the hell? How are you even good at that?
Oh yeah, I could do all the above. Oh, this thing's so nice, dude. What?
What? How are you not falling yet, bro? What the hell?
12 hours and 31 minutes, Sean.
Dude, you're gonna be bulling all around the shop.
So many miles in this place, dude.
Ah! What? What? What?
We're wheelchair boys out here.
Oh my
I
god.
need you one of these things. They're so fun.
Auto juice!
We got a wheelchair. And Tanner sold the SV. Everyone knows the SV that Tanner wrecked a long time ago. He sold it and he got him a nice F4i. And he's gonna change the oil on that today. But bro, this thing's actually pretty sweet. I really like this bike. I already put exhaust on it, or less of an exhaust on it, and it actually sounds really good. It's a nice bike.
Why do you have a wheelchair?
I'm gonna beat the wheelchair world record.
Of course you are.
12 hours and 31 minutes is the current record, and I'm gonna beat that on a live stream for charity.
Just literally hearing that does not surprise me at all. Like, okay.
Hey, Sean's getting it.
What's up?
We're in Tanner's S2000. We'll show you that right now.
Hey yo.
Explain this.
Banana.
They already know that it's a yellow F4i.
Yeah.
And then banana too.
It's a 2001 S2000.
Okay. It's not just a regular S2000. It's actually a very, very clean and original S2000. It's got 100,000 miles on it. Pretty much everything about this car is like, if you were looking for an S2000, this would be pretty much it, because it's completely stock. All maintenance is done. Everything has been kept extremely clean. The transmission is extremely like firm, and the shifts and all that stuff. Ooh, this thing is clean, dog.
So it's all stock besides the K&N drop-in, and it has a Borla exhaust.
So it has a Borla exhaust and a K&N drop-in.
Odd choices, but
Everything looks so clean, and it runs like a top too. We rode it obviously to get the bike, which is why you're watching it now. You got a really good deal for it too. If there's any suggestions for nice wheels for a yellow S2000, let us know.
I look like I could you up right now.
hey, you drive a yellow car. Pussy.
What's poppin'? We're in Monroe!
See the bike out there?
I do not.
What side did you pull on to?
I'm not sure.
You see the red roof?
Yeah, the red roof.
Yeah, get on that. Take one leg away inside.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, say hello to this SV650 that we're picking up in Monroe, which, yes, happens to be the same exact bike that Tanner wrecked, and we had a video, and I'm buying it back from the person that Tanner told it to for $800, ladies and gentlemen. The guy's gonna end up meeting at Tanner's house and give them the title, and I'm gonna pay him in like a few days, maybe like a week. Roommate or someone is just like, yo, come pick it up. And we literally just came here, he dropped me the keys, haven't even paid for it yet. We're going to, but it was weird just seeing that happen, bro.
It still has the Hoonigan sticker.
Oh, bro, Fred.
It looks fine. It looks the exact same, except for the seat.
No front brake at all.
Oh no.
I can do just fine with there.
Yeah, just don't go too fast.
So the bike is a 2006 SV650S, which I ended up buying for $800, but it was in immaculate condition, which is a complete win.
What happened?
We got some custom installed grip fatteners, some real tree freaking tape. I guess he wanted his grips a little bit fatter. It's hard for me to drive because it's like I'm holding on to a pool noodle trying to drive.
It looks pretty good, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Gosh, he's still going. I wonder why, like, what?
Dude, this thing's back in the family, bro.
Yeah, no, we got it back, bro. Oh, hey, I got an S2000. This is the quick glimpse. You'll get a little bit more later, maybe. We found another specialty. Okay, I didn't start the gas. Oh, 1 second. There. Go back. What'd you find?
First off, I haven't even paid the guy for the bike. I go to fill up the tank because I just got there and his roommate gave me the keys. There's a full tank, and so he gives me a full tank of gas. That's really freaking cool. He covered everything in this tape.
Dude, that's fresh.
He bought the bike for $2,500, covered some stuff in some tape, filled up the tank, sold it for $800 to me.
Dude.
Stonks.
Stonked.
All right, ride safe. Howdy, howdy. All right, well, we're going to start off with a quick little motovlog. And that's the start of it, ladies and gentlemen. We were on the $800 motorcycle and we were riding. This thing honestly has not let me down yet. It's literally been perfect, and the only thing is that the mirror has gotten a little bit loose. That's the only thing about this thing that just is a problem, is that this mirror is loose. I need to tighten it. So literally, we're good. I can see people behind me on the right side, but just not on the left because that one's loose. And realistically, when you're on a bike, you shouldn't be using mirrors. You should just turn your head anyways. Mirrors is just like a comfort thing, just being able to know that someone's there. But when you turn, you should turn your head anyways. You can't rely on your mirrors on a motorcycle because that would just lead to a lot of danger and death. Dude, I am freaking stoked. This thing is riding great. We got a lot of guys down here riding. Tanner, obviously, on the F4i. Y'all know who that is. Jake, we've ridden with him before. We got Booge up front. We got Josh in the back. We got some new guys. We got Joseph in the far back. We've ridden with him before doing the exploring stuff, which, man, I really want to do some more exploring stuff. That was actually a blast. There's a wop wop. Howdy, howdy, Sheriff. So I was scrolling through Marketplace looking for parts for the drift car, and I found this bike for sale for $1,200. And I looked at the pictures and I realized that it was actually Tanner's old bike that he sold to someone else. So I offered the guy $800 cash for it, and he said that he would take the deal. Problem is that the guy was in a different town about an hour away the opposite direction, and the bike was in another town 30 minutes away in another opposite direction, and I'm in the middle of both of them. I told the guy, just meet me at Simon and Tanner's house and I will give you cash and give me the title, and he told me to pick the bike up that night. So that's exactly what I did. I picked the bike up that night and got it. So I met the guy at Tanner's house and ended up buying the bike for $800 cash. I got it titled and registered the same exact day for $160, and I got insurance for $30. So the bike was completely legal. This is the test ride. Hell yeah. You did pretty good. There's a church. Oh, wow. That whole entire church burned down. Well, part of the church burnt down, and I guess they were like, you know what, we got a big fat insurance check for God, let's put it freaking towards a new building. And they freaking just flatlined their whole entire building, and they're building more. Insurance checks for God. I seen the same exact thing. I was like, I don't know where to go.
I think you're going this way.
Right. Uh-oh. Big mishap at the Bojacks. What we're gonna do is capitalize on that, take the bike and sell it, because I know I can make a profit on it, and sometimes it's easier just to take things and let them go and make a profit than it is to keep hold of them just for the value of fun that they are. So this is Tanner's first time getting on the bike since he got it. This is obviously his new bike. I don't know if any of this GoPro footage is gonna have audio on it, because that's my problem with motovlogs.
Look at
this. This bike is pretty dope. But
got my hands sticky.
Let's get some pictures.
Oh yeah, buddy.
What did you just do, sir?
I may or may not have just bought you a bike, my man.
We're over at Simon Tanner's house next door, and this is Landon, their buddy, and he decided that he wanted to get a bike while I had the SV, so he actually just PayPal'd me right now as we speak. I'm paid. Put the daggum thing in your name.
Let's do it.
Oh, we took the plate off of it, got the insurance out of it, and this bike is now Landon's. I hope you enjoy it, man. I really enjoyed it for the little amount of time that I had it. It's time for me to buy a transmission, so congratulations on buying you an SV650, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And enjoy this daggum thing. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of courage if you want to try and get into flipping things for yourself. Maybe you're a young high school student and you want to try and start making some money, or say you're just someone that's maybe my age, 21, or any age, as long as that matters, as long as you just have some transportation to move some stuff around. You can always make money just going on Facebook Marketplace, find things that are worth value, find them for prices that are less than it, and then sell them for more than what you got it for that is still market value. It's literally just called stonks. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Subscribe if you want to. Press like on the video. Be freaking great.